Good morning, class 5. Today we are going to start a new poem, Paper Boats. Now, this poem is written by Rabindranath Tagore, and this poem has a very good meaning. And let's read the poem first. Paper Boats. Can a flimsy paper boat carry the weight of flowers and travel safely into a faraway land? Now the author is telling you, can a flimsy means a very delicate, a very thin paper boat can carry the weight of flowers and travel safely into some land? Can it race with the mighty clouds and remain afloat? Can it race means can it have a race with the clouds which are moving up in the sky and still can remain on the water without getting drowned? Most importantly, can it carry the weight of dreams and hopes? Now let us read the poem and find out. Day by day, I float my paper boat one by one down the running stream. Day by day, the writer is Rabindranath Tagore, he says, day by day, I float my paper boats one by one down the running stream. I float my paper boats day by day, one by one down the stream which is already running. Stream means a flowing water. In big black letters, I write my name on them and name of the village where I live. Now, with big bold letters, I write my name and I write the name of the village where I live. I hope that someone in some strange land will find them and know who I am. And he also feels that once the boat starts moving to other faraway lands, somebody would see or would read that somebody would read that name on the boat and will know that who am I, because my name will be written on that boat and it will be my village name. I load my paper boats with shively flowers from our garden and hope that these blossoms of the dawn will be carried safely to the land in the night. And what does he load in the boat? He loads the shively. Shively is the white color flowers which blossom, which open up in the dawn. Dawn means early morning. When the first rays of the sun comes, these shively flowers, they blossom. Okay. I load my paper boats with shively flowers from our garden and hope that these blossoms of the dawn will be carried safely to the land in the night. That means these flowers can be safely carried to the land in the night, and they are the shively flowers which blossoms in the dawn. I launch my paper boats and look up into the sky and see the little clouds setting their white bulging sails. Now I launch. Launch means I set my boat sailing. I set it in the water. I set my paper boats and look up, and then I look up into the sky and see that the little clouds, they are setting their white bulging sails. They are also about to sail, and they are also about to get puffed with the wind. I know not what playmate of mine in the sky sends them down the air to race with my boats. And I don't know what my playmate, that is, I don't know what my friends in the sky, what do they send to these clouds that they become so active and they start sailing and they start running as if running with the same speed as that of the speed of my boat, which has been set up in the water to go about sailing. So that means as and when my boat is sailing, the clouds in the sky are also sailing with the same speed. Then when night comes, I bury my face in my arms. And when the night comes, he says, I just put my face in my arms and dream that my paper boats float on and on under the midnight stars. And then I dream, when I am just putting my head down in the night, I just dream that my paper boats, they float on and on under the midnight stars, that they are just sailing, that my boat is just sailing on and on under the midnight stars. The fairies of sleep are sailing in them. The fairies of sleep are sailing in them, and the lading is the baskets full of dreams. And my boat is, uh, and it is carrying, my boat is carrying the fairies of sleep. दे आर सेलिंग इन द बोट. द फेरीज, द एंजल्स, द परी, जो परियां हैं, जो नींद की परी हैं, वो उसमें सेल कर रही हैं. एंड द लेडिंग इज द बास्केट्स फुल ऑफ ड्रीम्स. एंड they have lot of such baskets which have the dreams about the future. So this poem is actually written by a small child when Rabindranath Tagore was small. He wrote this poem as an imagination of a child who actually sails its boat in the water, having high hopes about the future, having high dreams about the future. And a small child is asking God, or is asking lot of things for his future, that he would have such a boat which would just go through the water. People will see his name on it, the village name, and the boat will be sailing with the same speed as the clouds high up in the sky. Just runs or just sails. And in the end he says uh, that I hope and I wish that my boat would carry all my dreams which should come true in future and make me happy and successful person in life. Thank you. Just read the poem. This poem does not have rhythm. It is not having a rhyming end. But this is also a kind of poem written by people, and it is written by Rabindranath Tagore. Okay, children, just read the poem, and tomorrow we'll do the question answers.